Hi, my name is Aakash, and I'm a rising junior at Mission San Jose High School. And for my main project, I'm doing solar tracking using LDRs. And for for my third milestone, I basically just cleaned up the existing mount which I had in my first and second milestone videos, and I figured out how to mount the servo. And how I took to approach this was I created like two, I guess, triangular brackets with two triangle braces, and then I had a rectangular structure at the bottom to serve as a base, and I had an extension and going outwards and one going upwards so that the servo would be intact. And let me give you a quick demonstration. So as you saw, when I covered this LDR, the solar panel, it moved this way because there would be a higher reading and more light on this side, and when I covered this LDR, there would be more light here. So it was basically to simulate the direction in which the solar panel was facing. And and some difficulties which I faced while doing this was by far the biggest one was figuring out how to get the axle rotating. So initially, how I had initially planned to solve this issue was I was going to have like a wooden block underneath the solar panel, and I would have rods sticking into the solar panel and into one of the holes in the servo cap. However, this did not work, and so I tried a different solution. This would be to mount the servo directly to the axle and make it spin that way. However, this failed as well. And I basically went back and forth trying these approaches, and they did not work. And eventually I had a solution, which was to have a wooden block, which would have a hole which is specifically designed for the axle, and I would have the servo head mounted to the wooden block. And as you saw in this demonstration, that worked. And for my modifications, I would plan on having a Minty boost so I could charge a phone or anything powered by a USB cable, and possibly having it spin on dual axis instead of single axis as shown here. Thank you.